What's up, gentlemen? So personally, I like to consider myself a pretty smart dude. I'm not like monster intelligent, big brain smart, but I'm not dumb. I'm more like average to maybe a little above average smart. But what about you? Do you consider yourself a smart dude? If the answer is yes, give this video one of these. That's what I thought. Big brains. Gentlemen, I knew you were smart. So my question is, why are you doing these dumb ass things? Today, gentlemen, I'm going over 7 things smart dudes don't do. A lot of these things I've actually done. And I realized after I did them, man, it makes me look stupid, starting with number 1. Dating a friend's ex-girlfriend. But Alpha, you don't understand, man. She's told me that her and Brad were never anything serious and he treated her bad. I will treat her like a queen. Have you not learned anything by now? You are not going to take Brad's sloppy seconds. I don't care how fine she is. Now, at first, it seems like an amazing idea. She's amazing. You're amazing. You're going to make amazing things happen together. But once you sort of settle in and start dating, you're going to start thinking about all the times and all the bad, nasty things that Brad did to your little sweet angel. Not to mention all your boys are talking behind your back, gentlemen. It is a recipe for disaster. You're either going to date her or lose a friend. The second thing smart dudes never do is take advice from fools. Smart people never ask dumb people for advice. Everybody has those friends, right? They're amazing. They're incredible. They would do anything for you and you would do anything for them, right? But they are disasters. Career, their relationship, financial, like they are a disaster. So why do you think it's a good idea to ask their ass for advice? The answer is it's not. It's a horrible idea to ask them for advice because they have made bad decisions and poor choices that have led them to where they are. Smart people ask for advice from people they admire, they respect, that are places they want to get to. The third thing smart people never do is forget the lessons they learned the hard way. You ever heard the saying, fool me once, shame on you, fool me twice, shame on me? That's kind of what I'm talking about here. I have been in situations with people that have done me dirty or done me wrong, and I should have learned. I should have known that people don't change. People are creatures of habit, and if somebody shows you that they have poor character, they're willing to take advantage of you or screw you over, gentlemen, they're gonna do it again and again and again. It's a birthmark. Smart people don't let that happen because after the first time, they learn their lesson. It's dummies like me that are like, okay, he didn't mean it. He's really a good guy. He's my boy. I'm an idiot. The fourth thing smart people never do is think they know it all. Dumb people think they know it all. Like they got it figured out. It's either right or it's wrong. It's black or it's white. Gentlemen, smart people understand that there is a very big gray area when it comes to everything. They also know that it's important to learn from other people. People that are smarter than them or better than them in a specific area or have a skill that they don't yet possess. Gentlemen, that is the reason why I love Skillshare, today's video sponsor, so freaking much. So for those of you who have been living under an intellectual rock and haven't heard of Skillshare, gentlemen, I'm about to blow your, Skillshare is about to blow your mind the way it blew mine. They have over 28,000 different classes. You see, Skillshare is a learning platform, and in my opinion, they're the best on the market in the business, period. They've got classes in design, technology, business, entrepreneurship, not to mention a lot of creative things like writing and photography. What truly sets Skillshare apart from everybody else are the instructors. These people are amazingly smart in their respective areas. Whatever they're talking about, they've done it. They're experts, gentlemen, and this is something that personally I get so much value out of. A perfect example of that is a class I recently took by a woman, Tracy Wallace. E-commerce essentials, how to start a successful online business. Tracy is the editor-in-chief of Big Commerce, and this class that she is teaching is all about starting an online business. She goes through everything, including finding the right product niche, including like testing the different markets, looking at your competitors, also setting up your online store. Gentlemen, if you're somebody who likes the idea of being an online entrepreneur, you don't know where to start though, this class is a great first step. Right now, for the first 500 of you to hit that link down below and go sign up, Skillshare is giving you 2 months of premium Skillshare absolutely free. Want to know what else smart people never do? They never miss an opportunity to get 2 months of premium Skillshare absolutely free, and that is exactly what's happening right now, guys. Hit that link down below, sign up, 2 months totally free. Regular premium Skillshare annual membership is only like $10 a month. It is the biggest no-brainer in the history of your big, bold, beautiful brain because Skillshare, in my opinion, is the best. They have so much amazing information. You never know when you're going to watch something or learn something that's it's going to spark something that is going to change your life, honestly. And Skillshare, in my opinion, is changing a ton of lives. Guys, hit that link down below, sign up because you are smart. The fifth thing smart dudes never do is burn bridges. Let me show you an example of how not to handle yourself when you get fired from a job. Unfortunately, Brian, we gotta let you go. Me? You're fired. Me, you son of a bitch. You're the one that's all perving out over Janice and accounting. I'm gonna beat your ass if I ever see you out. Don't you look at me, Todd. I'm coming after you too. Oh, you all suck. I hate you and your ass face. F you all. That is burning a bridge. You never know when you're going to run into these people again or have another situation where you require them to not hate you. And if you burn your bridge, you're definitely limiting your potential opportunities in the future. The sixth thing smart people never do is talk religion or politics on social media. One of the easiest ways to tell if somebody has an IQ under 85 is to look at their social media. If they are talking, if they're engaging, if they're fighting with people about religion or politics, you know that they're a dummy, because smart people know that this is a losing battle. You may have your opinions. They might be amazing. You're not going to change anybody's mind, anybody's opinion by yelling and arguing and bickering, and all that it does at the end of the day is make people be angry at each other, and honestly, there's no need for it. And last, but certainly not least, probably should be first, the seventh thing that smart people don't do is take and send naked pics of themselves. I am so glad I didn't have a cell phone when I was growing up, right? You guys that are sending and exchanging naked pictures of each other or sending them to whoever your spicy senorita is, this is a horrible, and when I mean horrible, I mean super freaking horrible idea. To quote the immortal Phil DeFranco, don't be stupid, stupid. I know that it seems like a good idea. I know that it seems fun and kind of edgy and dangerous, and oh my God, I just got a picture from Sheila and she's so spicy, right? Bad idea. Gentlemen, don't do it. Don't even get into it, because the potential long-term ramifications and repercussions of you sending a quick picture of yourself or getting a picture from somebody else who might be a little bit too young, you never know. And you gotta protect yourself, because I don't want anything stupid like that to interfere with you kicking the shit out of this life.